Hey J babies, I'm back with another video. So in this video I will be giving you guys an eyebrow tutorial. You guys have been asking me for a long time for an eyebrow tutorial, so I was just like, why not give you guys what you want? So in this tutorial I will be using a pencil. I normally use pomade, but I was just like, you know what, I'll just use a pencil for you guys. Okay, so first you're going to start off from the very beginning of your eyebrow, and you're just going to trace and follow your natural eyebrow. If your eyebrow naturally don't have a sharp tail, you're going to extend that tail to the bottom of your eyebrow so you can get that sharp tail when you shape everything up. Okay, so when I do my eyebrows, I make it thick but not too thick so I can shape it to any size I want when I'm ready to conceal it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and then I'm going to use this flat brush just to shape my brow and to conceal it. Okay, so for this part, you're going to want to take your time and don't rush into it, because when I rush, I get concealer on the brow and I get so frustrated and so mad, but I always find a way to fix it. But for this one, you're not gonna go too much with the concealer because you're not doing a full face with it, you're just doing your eyebrows. So you want to go gentle and go easy with the concealer and don't do too much with it. Now we're going to start concealing the top. Once again, you want to go easy on the top as well, because you don't want to shape the brow into a shape you don't want or cut it off or whatever, and you're going to have to mess it up to fix it. So as you can see, I'm using the flat part and then I'm going right back into the sharp part. Okay, so now that we have one eyebrow done, I'm gonna go do the other eyebrow off camera and I will get back to you guys. Now that both brows are done, now I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm going to blend out the concealer into my skin so it will look more natural. Now I'm just going to take my beauty blender to blend it out even more to help it look more natural. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I added some lashes to add a little splat, but these lashes are from my lash line J Sminks, which will be coming out very soon. But guys, please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Hit that notification bell, and I love you guys so much.